Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Frugalisama. My name's Sam. This is where I talk about all things sewing, and today is the penultimate day of the Sew Frugal 22 challenge, and I've got another prize reveal for you. So today's prize reveal is from Patten Fantastique, and that is 3 patterns. So just a little bit of background about Patten Fantastique. Nita Jane is the designer behind Patten Fantastique. She's from a fashion background. The aesthetic is chic, modern patterns with a focus on sustainable methods for making. Patterns are available in PDF or print at home. Originally Australian based, but now relocated to Vietnam with her husband, who's working in a non-profit healthcare situation, and she's working alongside local makers there, producing ethical and sustainable garments. So I thought that was a really nice little bit of background to her patterns. So the prize is, one lucky winner will win 3 patterns, and that is the Varley dress and top, the Fen shirt, and the Taya dress and cami. So I thought this was a really generous prize. I've never actually made any of Patten Fantastique's garments. Do really like the aesthetic, but I've just never got around to making anything. I do know that Alex Judge Sews is a massive fan of the Varley dress. So I will link her video at the end, and she's done a full review of the Varley dress, which is one of the prizes. So the Varley dress is very 70s feel to it, with a high neck and highly gathered puff sleeves and a high yoke which is gathered as well. You've got this really unusual tie detail where you've got 2 ties coming out of it and 2 necklines as well. So you've got the standard neckline and then a dropped neckline, which is useful for breastfeeding. There is a top and a dress version with a curved hem, and the dress version has got pockets. The Fen is described as a not so classic shirt, and it is a really unusual shirt is this. It's got a drop shoulder, batwing style sleeve, balanced off by a high hip hemline, and then you've got cuff details. So there are 3 collar options on this and 2 cuff options. And one of the collar options is really unusual. Instead of it being a tie, it's like, it is a tie, but it's like a bow tie, and that's echoed in the cuff details as well. Really unusual, that one. The last one is the Taya dress and cami. This is V-necked and very loose, like shift-like dress or a pinafore. You can use it as a pinafore if you like. Really easy to wear, I would say, this one. Easy breezy. Dress to wear in the sunshine. It's got tie details at the shoulder, and then it's finished with facings, and then the long version has got mitered corners at the hem, and then you can have side splits in that and pockets. You can go from top, a cami top, midi or maxi on that one. Really lovely dress is that. I just wish that we had the weather to wear it more often. Definitely a holiday dress. All of those are available in sizes 6 to 26, which is a 31-inch bust up to a 51-inch bust, maximum hip of 54 inches. So I thought that was a fantastic prize, and really generous of her to offer 3 patterns. If you're wondering what Mandy's wearing, she's wearing the Geo Tank by Misusu Patterns. So I thought this would be an ideal one to feature so late in the day of the challenge, because it takes up very little fabric. I've got a full review of this Geo Tank, which I'll leave a link to the video at the end for you. But yeah, you don't need a lot of fabric for this. So if you wanted to take part in the challenge but you don't have, if you've only got scraps of fabric, this is a perfect one. Different necklines available, and then there's 2 or 3 different shoulder finishes there. I've actually pieced it at the back. I'll swizz it round for you. I really didn't have enough fabric, so this back piece is supposed to be 1 piece, but I just cut a yoke across there because I was really short of fabric. I'd made a dress with this with a wrap detail, and it had lots of awkward shapes, awkward sort of pieces left. So I thought that was a good one to feature right at the end of the challenge. So let me know below if you've sewn any of Patten Fantastique's patterns, and which is your favourite. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, that will tell you when I've got new videos out. I don't always make daily videos. I will be back to making weekly ones after the challenge is over. And I'll be back tomorrow with the final prize reveal. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.